Hi everybody, Attorney Russell Araya at Ramos Law Firm. Thanks so much for joining us for another episode of Let's Talk Insurance. Today we're going to be talking about reasonable and necessary medical care and how that's involved in your auto claims. Stick around. All right, so you've been involved in an auto accident and you're injured and you need to get some medical treatment. Now you're going to go to your doctor. He or she's going to document what your injuries are and make a recommended plan of medical treatment. Now, for the most part, you might get some x-rays to check to see if you have any broken bones, and then assuming things are okay, you might get some treatment recommended such as physical therapy, chiropractic care, massage, acupuncture. Now, after a couple of months, you're getting some progress, things are developing, and you're doing okay. But you're not quite over that hump yet, and you're not back to who you were before the accident. So now you might have some pain management that's recommended by your doctor or a specialist, such as an orthopedic surgeon. That's going to involve trigger point injections that go right into your muscle to give you a little bit of relief, or you might have some epidural steroid injections or some type of facet injections, for example, that go right into your spine to alleviate some of the nerve pain that you're feeling. Now, when all is said and done, your attorney is going to try to negotiate the best possible settlement with the treatment that you received. Now, sometimes the insurance companies are going to fight back a little bit on some of the medical care that you received. They might say that the treatment you received was not reasonable or medically necessary. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, you hurt your wrist. You're holding onto the steering wheel, and at the moment of impact, your wrist gets bent back. Now, you take some medication, it helps alleviate some of the pain, but not to a significant extent. Your doctor recommends that you go see an orthopedic surgeon. That surgeon says, why don't we have some surgery to repair that injury in your wrist? Well, the surgery works out well, you feel back to 100%. Your insurance company or the insurance company that's involved is going to say that that surgery was not medically necessary. You could have just gotten some injections, or you could have continued with some physical therapy. Now, if the surgery was medically necessary and it's reasonable, your doctor will eventually testify, if necessary, at trial to support the care. On the other hand, if the surgery was brought on too early and you should have gotten some more physical therapy or some other pain management, well, you might be on the hook for that treatment and the insurance company might not pay for it. That's pretty much it in terms of reasonable and necessary medical care. Hope that helps. Talk to you next time on Let's Talk Insurance.